little surprise for you.
Is that a chicken? Is that a common misconception?
The common misconception when trying to find the area of the cone is instead of squaring the radius, they multiply it by 2.
An easy way to remember this is to use r squared instead of r times 2.
Put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying.
You put me in such an uncomfortable situation. You know I'm not happy. You know I don't know how to solve for volume.
Cry, my diamond earring.
I just lost the formula for the cone.
Ken, there are people dying. First, we need to find the base. Have you seen the base? Do you see the base? There he is. It's Vogue. Good morning, Kendall.
Good morning, Jen.
Will you show me how to find the volume of a cone?
Sure.
So what's the first step to finding the volume of a
Well,
cone?
first you have to find the dimensions, which are right here. First we have the straightaway, which is this part, and that's 6. Then we have the diameter, which is this part, and that's 4.
What's the next step after that?
Well, next you have to find the radius, which is half of the diameter. So how you do that is, now we have to find the radius, which is half of the diameter, which is 4 divided by 2, which equals 2. So you'd write that right here, and then the straightaway is 6. So now we have to follow using the formula, which I have right here. So now that we have the formula and the dimensions, now we write our problem, which is v equals 1/3 pi, which is 3.14. Radius squared is 2 squared, and then the height is 6. You see how it says 1/3 here? Well, that is the same thing as just dividing it by 3. So we can erase this and do this. Now first, we have to solve this, which is 3.14 times 4, which is 2 times 2, which is 2 squared, times 6, which equals, and this equation equals 75.36. And correct me if I'm wrong. Formula, we have to divide this, which is also this, divided by 3. So that's 75.36 divided by 3, which equals 25.12. And that, my friends, is the volume.
Kendall, are you
Sorry.
ready to find segment 2, finding the volume of a cylinder?
I sure am. Come on over. Well, how you find the volume of a cylinder is first say, let's find the radius, and we can say that's 3. Then we can find the height, which is, say, 5. So now we have that. And then our formula is volume equals pi r squared times height. So now we put that into our area, our dimensions. So volume equals pi, which is 3.14, times the radius, which is 3 squared, times height, which is 5. Now the answer for this is 141.3. So that is the volume of the cylinder, and that's how you find it.
Now I will take 8 cubed and times it by pi, and then multiply by 4 and divide by 3, which will get me 2,143.57. And that, my friends, is how you find the volume of a sphere. Simple, easy, just look in your notes.